Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up screen time and parental controls on iPad 13 2026. To begin the setup, we're gonna have to open Settings application. On the sidebar, scroll down until you reach the screen time section. Open it, and here we're gonna have to first select the child we want to set the parental controls and screen time for. So we can find a child in the family. If you don't have your child right here, you can add one. You can add yours. Then tap Continue and select the content limits for your child. Let me start again. Okay, so we can set the age for the content, we can limit web content, and we can set the age preferences for each application. Tap Turn on restrictions. Then you can also enable communication safety. You can also enable the screen distance, which will blur your screen automatically if your child is watching at, say, very close distance. Then we can also disable or enable keeping track of child screen time. And then also time away from screens. So we have to set the start time and the end time of this period using the scroll wheels, and then turn it on by clicking Turn on Downtime. Then we can set app and website limits by selecting the application type from these categories and selecting the time amount using the scroll wheel. Tap Setup Limits and then create a passcode for parental controls. Confirm your password. Now that's it. Now we have set up the initial settings for screen time and parental controls for our child. Of course, we can adjust each of these settings right here in the screen time menu. So we can adjust the downtime, app limits, and the rest of the settings that we have previously set up. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.